Welcome back to Weekend Smile for our foodie episode. When it comes to Jamaican street food, Hero Circle is the spot for spicy crab and tasty soup. The production team hit the road to visit the popular food spot. Check this out.
Crabs, corns, and a soup? Not your typical lunch menu options, unless, of course, you're in the Kingston 4 Hero Circle area. For decades, these vendors have been supplying locals and foreigners with a taste of traditional Jamaican foods. Their most popular sell, crabs. But they offer more than just crabs. This site is also a common lunch spot for those who are tired of the fried chicken and the rice and peas staple. Shenroy Matthews has been a vendor here for over a decade, a business he inherited from his wife, who took over from her mother.
Yam, dasheen, okra, potato, pumpkin, meat kind, cow skin, chicken foot, soup bone, tripe. We get crab from two places, St. Thomas and Clarendon.
On a good day, Shenroy kept on his feet as customers come and go at short intervals.
When we have a good day, we done about 3, 4 o'clock in the evening. When we have a bad day, we wait till 8:30 we sell out in the night. So we have a bad day. Yeah.
Speaking of customers from all over, she's a resident of the US who pays a visit to Hero Circle every time she comes home.
It's spicy and it's well seasoned. I have to have crab is a definite thing. My shrimp, pepper shrimp, Devon's ice cream, and of course Stacy's patty. I'm buying 10. Wow. But when I'm leaving, usually I bring some up with me. That's a must.
Packed with flavors and served with a warm smile from friendly vendors. Looking for something different? Try lunch at Hero Circle.